Hello friends, welcome to our channel Meet the Flavors. Our today's recipe is a famous Bengali sweet, cham cham, and we have just innovated it by adding chocolate in it. So our today's recipe is a chocolate cham cham. So let's start the recipe and check out the ingredients first. So firstly we need to make sugar syrup, and for that I have taken 1 cup of sugar and then I will add 3 cups of water. Then boil it in low medium flame. Here we have prepared this chhena by 1 liter of full cream milk, and for any kind of sweet dish made by chhena, this chhena should be soft enough. And how to prepare this soft chhena you can refer to our other recipes like chhena sandesh. Now knead it properly and then add 1 tablespoon of semolina or suji. It helps to bind the chhena. Now mix this well and knead the dough for 1 to 2 minutes. Now our chhena is kneaded properly and you can check the softness, the smoothness in it. Now again knead it for 1 to 2 minutes, then divide it into 2 portions, and the portions should be equal. Now take half portions and add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder in it. Then mix it softly. Now from these 2 differently flavored doughs, take equal amount of chhena and make balls like this. Now take these 2 differently flavored chhena balls in your hand, then combine it gently and make a round shape like this. Now all the chhena balls are ready, colors are looking nice, you can see. Now it's been almost 7 minutes and our sugar syrup is ready. Now add 1 by 1 these chhena balls in this sugar syrup, kept in a medium flame. And just before adding this, tap the 2 sides to make a proper cham cham shape. Please remember, don't put these chhena balls all together in this syrup, then it will stick to each other. Now cover the lid and cook it for 15 minutes on high flame. Then after 15 minutes, open the lids and you can observe these chocolate cham chams are bigger in size now. Then again close the lid and cook it for 25 minutes on medium flame. So after 25 to 30 minutes, you can observe these chocolate cham chams are totally ready now. Then turn off the flame and keep it to cool down. And now it's time to make the chocolate stuffing for this cham cham, and for that I have taken 250 ml of full cream milk, but yes, it's an optional. Then add 125 ml of milk powder and mix this well to avoid any lump formation in this milk. Now add 1 tablespoon of corn flour powder in this milk, but yes, I will suggest you to mix it with water first, then add into this milk to avoid any lump formation. Now stir it continuously until this milk thickens like this. Now add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder and 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder and mix it properly. So after continuous stirring of 5 to 6 minutes in low medium flame, it will become sticky like this. Now turn off the flame. So now we need to add the stuffing in this cham cham, and for that you need to cut into 2 slices, but not totally. It will look like an oyster or jhinuk in Bengali. But yes, as I have told you earlier, this stuffing is totally optional. You can just avoid it and have this cham cham as it is. So now lastly we need to add this chocolate stuffing in this bicolored chocolate cham cham, and we will follow the same procedure for all pieces. So now this stuffed chocolate cham cham is ready. You can have as it is, or you can cut these pieces from the center and serve it like this. And for garnishing, here I have used some almond slice on top. So if you like our recipe, please click the like button and share it with others, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And for other new recipes, please click the bell icon. Thank you and enjoy this chocolate cham cham.